Hi all, good evening. Again it is Lipsa here to with you to giving a very energetic session. So first of all, how are you all in this quarantine life? What you learn in this quarantine life? And I know it is quite difficult for us to maintain in quarantine life because we all always busy with our schedule works. Here go, they are meeting with friends and suddenly someone will tell him to stay in home for 3 months. It's quite irritating, quite bored, right? So I'm come up with a new session to you today. How do you balance your life in this, and how you will be energetic and positive thoughts from since morning to evening, so that your day will be very good, they will be very energetic, right? So before starting this session, I want to tell you one thing. Suppose you are wake up in the morning and thinking, "Arey yaar, yesterday that is happened is very bad," and in that mood, you want to go to cooking, you want to go to do your work. That negative, that lonely things will be in your mind. It will be destroy your entire day, and it will be impacting your whole works. You just experience this, you will never able to know this. But if you wake up in the morning and give a big smile by seeing a mirror and say, yeah, today is a very good day and it is very energetic for me, I can do this, I will, whatever it may be, if maybe you fell, but I can do this, then that big smile and that good positive thing make your whole day very well. Believe me, you just do this, then you will believe this. So coming up the topic, I will tell you one thing, that yes, this life gives us a one chance to live a better way, to learn a better way, and two-time chance will never come up. So why should we waste our life? Why should we waste our life? And you might think that yes, I have several problems and several things. How could I give my best in my life? How could I happy in this life? You may not be happy. You may not be something. Your dreams will not fulfill. And may not be some. Your problem will not solve. But giving big smile, think that respect myself, and yes, I can do this. To be a positive energy. It will make your day, end of this day, it will be very good. It might be 100 problem, but your mind will be free from these negative things. How I'll give you example. This my hand, left hand, is full of with negative energy. Okay, and this is my right one. It is full of with positive energy. So your mind will be in between, and it is confusing now. What I will take, this one or this one? So I will tell, always capturing negative thoughts is very easy. It is very easy for the mind to capturing negative thoughts, but it is very difficult to mind capturing the positive thoughts. So always it will become here like this, and it will be like this distance. But you have to keep away this, you have to keep this in inside. So what will happen? You will be strong. You should be strong. If you be strong and be energetic person, then definitely you will do this. Many examples is this. There are people coming from this level to they have gone to this level. So if you constantly thinking positive, is constantly give your effort in positive manner, so no one will go and stop you, and you will definitely reach your destination in very well way. That is, your life is a very I can say a powerful world. Your mind is a very powerful thing. So you have to fill up with a mind with a good positive energy and thought, so that your completely life and road will be changed. So if you not believe your powerful things, positive thoughts, then your life will start changing. Ultimately will be deep down. Nobody will take from this deep down to come up with this. So your future will be depend upon what you are thinking today, what you are doing today. It's not like that, hey yaar, I will do this thing later. Let spend this time with this. This is wrong. whatever you are doing today, whatever you are spending time today, whatever you are going today, that destination will reach you in your future. If today you are so sad, so scared, and you are not ready to fight with any difficulties, then you cannot go high. I love two things, which is my favorite person, obviously APJ Abdul Kalam. Think big, just do it. See the dream and fulfill it. Obviously, if I did not take my goal, if I did not fix my goal, where I will go? That is called dream. And if there is no struggle in your path of success, life has become tasteless. It's easy to understand. If you are going in a road, if you are not giving the pressure, if you are not giving the pain to your two legs, you cannot reach your destination, right? Like this. I'm giving one example, better example, so that you will be able to understand. Think about a farmer. What he is doing? He is going to the field, he is spending time with the field, and he is any weather, any difficulties, he is facing this thing. He is creating the squares, putting the seeds, putting the water in between. Storm came, cyclone came, floods came, still he is managing everything. After 2-3 months, it grew up and giving food to all the human beings. So it can be straight now. There will be no storm, flood, anything will be not come. It will be straight. God can make like this. Why God does not make like this? Because until you face these struggles, it may be rain, it may be flood, it may be cyclone, then this is called struggle. You cannot grow. So that is the way of life you have to follow. I have seen my worst thing of my life. I have seen my best thing of life. But I choose the both of these things and I am giving my best in the way. It's not like this. My life is very sorrow, very sadness, so I will not choose my good things. It's wrong. It's completely wrong. So I have this power, so I can create my life like this, so I can fulfill my dream like this. It is just a one word which if I think this is 100 times, definitely I will motivate myself and I will do my things. And you are not wasting your 2 hours of time. You can concentrate your work, giving time, quality time to your family, as well as you will be healthy person. You will not get depression, you will not, because of depression you will not get headache, you will be a proper sleep, and you will be at least a healthy person. But in negative thinking person, it is dragging their life itself, his health itself, entire the family member. So everything surrounding you also it is distinctly fell down. So for that, only exercise and eating healthy is not a manner to living happily. You should be always positive. That things if you think positive, eat healthy, stay healthy, you can get new things. You can feel this is I am a new Lipsa over here. If you feel like that, do continuously for 15 days, you will get a different. Connect with something bigger things, something, see the bigger dreams. Definitely your thing will touch this, not approximately you will touch this. Believe yourself, change your thinking style, change your mentality, attract yourself with more positive thinking. Always don't say no. Sometimes you have to think about yes. Life is mine. I have to choose my way. I have to choose my thing. I have to enjoy my life. I don't know next time my life will come or not. You can just check in COVID. Many people are lost their lives. They are upgrading to going families. They are upgrading to going things. But you are still lucky one. You are not among of this. You are staying happily with your family. At least you are getting food. You can just check how many levels they are going out in the road and they're not getting food. Yesterday only I have checked a Facebook. I have got one news. One laborer which is working from Delhi highway, and he is very hungry, and he saw some dog accident and died. He is just eating that meat. It's not fried, it's not anything, directly is eating. in the road itself. So one man saw this and he given the food and he given some money. Luckily he got this. Think their life of prosperity. Still they are struggling, still they are live their lives, but you are so lucky, you are getting food, you are getting money, you are with your family, with a quality life. So don't spoil this time with a negative way. I'm giving that example, that doesn't mean I am doing something bad on this or some commenting bad on this. I'm just trying to understand you. You are somewhere person who are always in a good space. Don't spoil your space because of some things. People are still struggling to getting out. You should always give your time, best time with you, with a positive way, with a great life. And because nothing there in life. You're just eating, sleeping, doing your work, regular works, responsibility. Nothing extra things you will find in your life rather than this. Then why should we waste your life? Do something good work. Helping me write a diary, everything trusted. Positive things is not a word. It's a very wide thing. It's a very extended. It's a very elastic things which make your surrounding, make your family, make your life very success. So always raise your thought in positive way. Always thought yourself that in positive things. Do not feedback, do not take the negative things so early to your life or to your thinking, because surrounding yourself with a positive object, positive thinking, it's make you more happy. Make you more happy and it's give you can feel a very good energy to grab of yourself with reaching that successful things. If you're going, then you should attract with only positive energy. I can see this. Many people think that saying this thing is very easy, but naturally if you are going in your life, definitely suddenly people get irritated, people get harassed and they leave their faces. Yes, but you, for thinking positive, you need to spend anything, no, right? You just imagine and feel. You just think. You just think. You just write somewhere else. If you're not able to express it, write somewhere else. You just think. You just imagine. Then that day starts with a positive things. I'll give you a difference between a positive energy person, negative energy person. So if you are a positive energy person, be grateful yourself, be love yourself, and you do passion about your positive thinking. Because I am a person, yes, I got irritated, I can tell this person, yes, that is that happening, but I always in my mind the positive thinking. I inspire myself, I live my way of thinking. Suppose I am a positive person, I am thinking in the crisis time, obviously, so many work stresses from office and there will be no external incomes coming. So you are always in thinking this thing, arey yaar, this is not coming, that is not happening, what I will do? By thinking, you will spend your 2 hours of time waste. Then you cannot take care of things in good way. Whenever doing something, you are thinking like this, your mind is somewhere else and you are somewhere else and you are distracted. But if I am a positive thinking person, 5 minutes I will think positive, then I get back to the work. So my 2 hours will be lost. Spend time with some activities, good activities like social works, planting trees, and go out, listen to natural, what is this air, refreshment air. Speak with your child, speak with her time, speak with her mom, speak with her dad, speak with her husband, wife, family members. So by doing these things, you will feel something different. You will be always be happy. So do something such a way so that this time will refreshment you for the positive thinking. So this time will help you to reduce your negative thinking around your mind. It will be help you to resolve your small problems very quickly, and give respect to others. Don't be irritated, or don't be show your frustration to there. And if possible, give enough sleep this time. Spend time with your parents, spend time with the child, spend time with your family member, and do plantation, and spend time with the nature. Have a fresh air, do some light exercise at least for half an hour in a day. Drink lots of water, and give it enough sleep. And if you don't express your problems or negative thinking to anyone else, take a diary, note somewhere, and after that do something rolling and floss it in the toilet. These all small activities give you more energetic and give you more positive vibes. This is just a small discussion I have done with you, because I thought to share with you some my expression, some my thinking to you, so that you will feel some changes of your life. I will coming up with your live section on this, with your all solution, with your all doubts. If you feeling stress, if you feeling anything, so I will give you a solution. I will do a live manifesting 4-5 activities which it will be relax yourself. So take a responsibility and set your goal and do some activities I listed to you. Give a big smile in your face. Remember your first job and remember yourself why you are here. Don't waste your time with the negatives, with the bad attitudes, bad proactive things which will destroy your day-to-day life. So be happy, stay home, and stay safe. Be positive. Last word, be positive. So don't think that it's very easy to say I have lots of problem. Forget about problem. Forget about everything. Give a big smile. That is enough for you. That is enough for you to solving a problem. Stay happy. Thank you. Bye. Be positive.